The Confederate statue standing in front of the old Alamance County Courthouse is here to stay. The North Carolina Court of Appeals rejected the NAACP's 2021 lawsuit to take it down.
Yeah, the civil rights organization called it an enduring symbol of white supremacy, arguing the rebel soldier statue should be relocated to what it called a more appropriate location. Fox 8's Justin Lundy's on the story in downtown Graham near the statue tonight. So Justin, how do people there in the community feel about this decision?
Well, many of the people I tried to interview today did not want to talk about the statue behind me, but the ones who did were split over either to tear it down or to keep it up.
Just disappointment. I believe that the judiciary branch would look at this fairly and see that anything so inflammatory has no place in front of a public courthouse.
A controversial statue in downtown Graham will stay where it is. In 2021, the NAACP filed a lawsuit to remove this Confederate statue standing in front of the old Alamance County Courthouse. 3 years later, the North Carolina Court of Appeals rejected arguments to remove it. Former Alamance County NAACP President Barrett Brown says they argued it posed a threat to public safety, was a misuse of taxpayer dollars, and violated the state constitution.
Well, there were a swath of Confederate statues put up in the 20s after Reconstruction ended, and they were put up as an intimidation factor to keep people from registering and voting, to let people know that the cause of the South would continue to live on.
On Tuesday, the State Court of Appeals ruled that the monument was protected by the Monuments Protection Law the State General Assembly passed in 2015, which says state, city, and county-owned monuments can't be removed without the State Historical Commission's approval. Some community members feel it should be taken down anyways.
I think that they should reconsider and they should listen to the people who live here and take our opinions.
Others believe we should keep the statue as a reminder of our history.
So, like, my grandkids will, understand, because I'm a grandmother and I got little grandchildren, and, you just can't eradicate it and get rid of it. Because we have to learn from all of our mistakes.
The Alamance County Commissioners have legal authority over the property and were defendants in the lawsuit. I reached out to them for comment, and they directed me to the county attorney, and they tell me at this time that they have no comment. Also, former county NAACP president Barrett Brown tells me that he's looking for other avenues to end up getting rid of this statue. Reporting live in Graham, Justin Lundy, Fox 8 News.
And we'll stay on the story, Justin. Thank you. And